Does baby wearing count as tummy time? I'm Angela, a mom of 2 and a certified baby wearing educator. What baby wearing does for baby's body. So you're carrying them upright and it engages baby's core, neck, and postural muscles, so they're constantly making micro adjustments against your body to stay balanced. You're keeping them in chest to chest, essentially skin to skin, which mimics the prone position that makes tummy time so valuable. A pediatric OT confirms that both baby wearing and chest time are both valid tummy time options, when it counts and when it doesn't. Chest to chest in a structured carrier is the best option. Facing out has less benefits for tummy time because baby isn't working the same muscles. The key is that baby's body is active and not just supported. What baby wearing can't replace? Floor tummy time can give something that a baby carrier can't. Pressing their hands into the ground and help pushing themselves up, that helps build fine motor control. Floor time also delivers sensory input, textures, weight shifting, balance, all of those things that a carrier can't replicate. How to think about it. Use baby wearing to stack extra developmental time in your day, especially when the baby is just fussy and wants to be in your arms. Still aim for some floor time daily, even 30 seconds count. Baby wearing is a great supplement to floor tummy time and not a substitute, especially in the early days when some newborns might not like being on the floor as much. As your baby gets more independent and alert, they can spend more time on the floor.